Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Red, and for today's video we will be unboxing my new Chanel cosmetics. These are actually gifted by my husband. Thank you very much, husband, for my new makeups. And I'm actually very excited to try these because I've seen a lot of videos swatching and trying on Chanel cosmetics on normal skin type, but I would like to see it for myself if it's actually suited also for the skin type that I have, which is acne prone, a lot of pores, and I have oily skin, and you see a lot of blemishes as well. So I'd like to see it if it's actually gonna work on my skin type as well. So before we start, I want to show you my skin type. As you can see, there's a lot of blemishes, some pores. I don't have any makeup on. I don't even have sunscreen yet, which I will be putting in a bit. So there you go. This is the skin type. This is our canvas for today. And for my sunscreen, I will be using Hada Labo, which I got from Japan. This is like a 5-in-1 kind of cream, and it also has an SPF already with PA+++++. So this is the texture. I love this sunscreen so much. If there's one thing that you should pick up from Japan, this is probably it. This is perfect for busy days and moms like me who doesn't have the time to put on moisturizer and then sunscreen. So at least this is already all in one. I'm also going to be putting some on my neck. And so this is it for my base. Here you go. I got the shade medium and it retails for 4,450 pesos. I'm gonna be converting this in dollars, which we'll see here. Now I'm gonna be unboxing our first item, which is the Chanel Le Beige Water Fresh Tint. The consistency is very runny, as you can see. As you can see, it's really like water. There you go, my face. My skin looks so healthy. I like light tints as much as possible, even though my blemishes and pores are still peeking through. That's okay. Okay, so this is how it looks like using my fingers. So now I will be using the brush on my right side of the cheek. Oops, oh my gosh. Okay, looking at it now on the camera, I don't think I see the difference. So whether you use your fingers or the brush, it's all good. I like that it kind of covered only what's necessary. It's very light. And as I've mentioned a while ago, the blemishes are still peeking through. You could probably get away with it if you use a concealer. But for today's video, I'm gonna use Chanel items. So I'm not gonna be using a concealer because I don't have a concealer from Chanel yet. So I don't want to cheat. So everything would be Chanel for today's video. Okay. And the next item that we will be using is the waterproof eyebrows. Brush it some more. There you have it. And the next item that I'll be using is this one. This is the Chanel Lip and Cheek Balm. This is actually the reason why we went to Chanel, Cosmetics because I wanted to give this a try. I just wanted to swatch it on my face, and I don't know, next thing I know, I'm picking up some other items that I'm sure I don't need.
As a hint
It's really
of
a want, guys.
the texture is a bit tacky. If you don't like blush-ons, this is definitely not for you. There's a bit of stickiness
That I can feel. The shade that I have is number 4. It's Wake Up Pink. It is a pink corally kind of peachy blush.
I don't know why the color is not paying off at the moment, but when I was in the store, I felt like this is very pigmented. Maybe adding a little bit on my eyes today. So there you go. My skin is looking so healthy. I really like the effect that it gives on my skin.
I will be using this balm as well on my lips.
Wow. That's it on my lips. I love it. My skin is looking so glowy and healthy. So the next item that I'll be using is the Chanel Balm Essential, and the shade is Sculpting. So I've heard a lot of good stuff about this product as well.
It's supposed to make your skin looking glowy, glassy, without looking so oily. And I'm very curious if it's gonna work on my skin type because again, I have oily skin. So I'm gonna be testing it for the whole day. It's perfect actually because I'm heading out.
I'm going to work today and it's about 10 a.m. in the morning. And maybe later on I'm gonna be checking in like around 5 p.m. 6 p.m. So just to see if my makeup is still on my face or like did it really last and if it's worth penny that my husband paid. Beautiful. Let's swatch it first. It's almost nothing. So natural looking. Do you see it, guys? Okay, so let's try it on. You can put it here. Maybe I could also put it on my collarbone. There. It looks nice on my collarbone. Okay, so if there's one product that I have to use that isn't Chanel, is this one from Laura Mercier. It's a translucent powder. I really have to use it, guys, because I want to be fair with Chanel. I have oily skin, extremely oily skin, and I feel like it won't be fair to Chanel to try these items without setting my whole makeup. So I'm just going to be putting a little bit of powder at the center of my face, dusting all this. Just the center part. I can probably add a little bit of balm here. Are so good, looking so healthy. I love it. Doing my makeup, my camera got low bat, so I'm now using my iPhone. I'm still beside the window. There you go. I don't have any ring light, but this is how it looks like. So far, it looks so good. It feels so light on the skin. It looks so light on the skin, and my skin looks so healthy. I love it so much. And yeah, I would have to check in with you guys later this afternoon to see if my makeups are still here. Hopefully it will last because we paid a hefty amount of money here. But
look at the finish. Looking so healthy, glowy, just your skin but better. Definitely better because like I said, I have blemishes and everything. The Chanel Le Beige water tint, I don't think it will cover all of your marks, as you can see, but it's good. I really love it, honestly. If, well, I can't tell yet, but later I would probably make another review and see if it's worth the money. And this is how it looks like. So let me know, what are your thoughts?